Hey everyone, welcome to our video on how to speak English fluently in 2023. English is a widely spoken language and is essential for communication in many fields. If you're looking to improve your English skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share 5 tips that will help you speak English fluently in 2023. Tip 1. Set a goal. The first step to improving your English skills is to set a goal. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve by learning English? Do you want to improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, or grammar? Once you have a clear goal in mind, it will be easier to focus on the areas that you need to improve. Tip 2. Practice every day. Consistent practice is the key to improving your English skills. Set aside at least 30 minutes every day to practice speaking, listening, and reading in English. You can read English news articles, listen to English podcasts, or watch English movies with subtitles. The more you practice, the faster you will see improvement. Tip 3. Find a language partner. Find a language partner who is also learning English or a native speaker who is willing to help you practice. This will give you an opportunity to practice your conversation skills and improve your confidence in speaking English. You can find a language partner online or in person. Tip 4. Join a language community. Join an English language community where you can interact with other learners and native speakers. This will give you access to resources, tips, and feedback on your language skills. You can join language communities on social media platforms or language learning apps. Tip 5. Learn from your mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking English. Learning a new language is a process, and making mistakes is a natural part of the process. Learn from your mistakes, and use them as an opportunity to improve. Listen to feedback from your language partner or language community and focus on the areas that need improvement. So there you have it. 5 tips that will help you speak English fluently in 2023. Set a goal, practice every day, find a language partner, join a language community, and learn from your mistakes. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to learning a new language. Good luck on your language learning journey.